Hello, everyone, and welcome back to NB English Studio, the place where learning English feels easy, natural, and fun. I'm Hira.
Hello, Hira, and hello to all our lovely listeners around the world. I'm Alex, and I'm really happy to be here with you today.
It's great to see you, Alex. How are you today?
Honestly, I'm okay, but a little tired.
Tired already? But, Alex, it's only the afternoon.
I know, but I had a very busy morning.
Ah, one of those mornings. And what about me? Did you ask how I am?
Of course. Hira, how are you today?
I'm feeling great. Actually, I'm very happy today.
You always sound happy, Hira. What's making you so happy today?
Well, I have my favorite coffee, a big, warm cup of coffee.
Ah, coffee really changes everything. I'm drinking green tea today.
Green tea is very healthy, but coffee makes me smile.
Before we start our conversation, we should say something important.
Yes, absolutely. To everyone listening, welcome. We're so happy you're here with us today.
If you enjoy our conversations, please don't forget to like this episode.
And subscribe to NB English Studio. Your support helps us create more English lessons for you.
Also, share this with a friend who is learning English. Learning together is always better.
All right, Alex. Today's episode is just a real English conversation, right?
Yes, no textbook English, just two friends talking naturally.
Perfect. So, Mr. Tired, why are you really tired?
Work. Definitely work.
Ah, yes, work. What happened?
Yesterday was a very long day. We had a big meeting at the office.
A big meeting with your boss?
Yes, with my boss, Mr. Henderson, and the whole team.
I don't like big meetings. They're usually very long and very boring.
Exactly. This meeting was 3 hours long.
3 hours? That's a lot of talking.
Too much talking. And the boss wants a new report, a very big report, full of numbers.
Oh no, numbers. I don't like numbers at all.
Same here, and he wants it ready by Friday.
Friday? But today is only Tuesday.
That's why everyone is stressed.
Oh no, office stress is the worst.
And there's another problem, a people problem.
Uh-oh, people problems are always difficult.
You remember Tom, right?
Yes, the tall and funny guy.
That's him. And there's a new colleague, Sarah.
I don't know her.
She's quiet, kind, and very focused. Tom talks a lot, and Sarah works quietly.
Oh, that sounds like trouble.
Yesterday, Sarah looked really sad. I think Tom said something not very nice.
That's hard. Work should feel safe and friendly.
Exactly. And now they have to work together on this report.
And you're in the middle.
Yes, right between them.
So, what's your plan?
I have an idea. A simple idea.
Tell me.
Coffee. And cookies.
Oh, I like this plan already.
I'll buy coffee for Sarah and for Tom too.
Don't forget cookies. People are always happier with cookies.
You're right. Coffee and cookies for everyone.
You're a good colleague, Alex.
I just want a happy office.
Okay, enough about work. Let's talk about something happy.
You said you had good news.
Yes, my best friend Maria is getting married.
What? That's amazing news.
I'm so excited. The wedding is next month.
That's soon. Where is the wedding?
In a garden, lots of flowers and trees.
That sounds beautiful.
It is, but I'm stressed.
Why?
I need a dress.
Ah, shopping stress.
Exactly. Long dress or short dress? Blue or green?
Your eyes are blue, right?
Yes.
Then blue's perfect.
A long blue dress. That sounds nice.
And flat shoes. No heels in the garden.
Yes, silver flat shoes and a small silver bag.
See?
talking really helps.
It does. I feel much better now.
So, after my report on Friday, I'll go home, wear my pajamas, order pizza, and sleep.
That sounds like a perfect plan. And you?
After shopping, Maria and I will have dinner at our favorite Italian restaurant.
Pizza for me, pasta for you.
Exactly.
Wow, Hira. Time flies when we talk.
It really does. Thank you, Alex. I loved this conversation.
Me too, and thank you to everyone listening.
Don't forget to subscribe to NB English Studio, like this episode, and share it with your friends.
And here's our question for you.
What did you do yesterday? Or what will you do this weekend?
Write your answer in the comments in English. We love reading them.
See you next time.
Bye, Hira.
Bye, Alex. Bye, everyone.